Want to keep your Fiverr rating shinier than a new pair of sneakers? Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Today we're cracking the code on how to maintain a high seller rating, because nobody wants to be that gig with more cancellation than a weather forecast. Let's go. Step 1. Under-promise and over-deliver. If you say 3 days, deliver in 2 days, because buyers love surprises when they're good ones. Step 2. Communicate like your rating depends on it, because it actually does. Quick, clear replies prevent 99% of meltdowns. Step 3. Triple check your work. One typo in a logo design could turn a wow into a what is this real quick. Step 4. Handle complaints like a pro. Fix issues fast. Stay polite and never argue. Your response can turn a 1-star into a 5-star review. Follow the steps and your ratings will stay so high people will think you bribed the algorithm. Drop a comment with your best rating hack, and if this helped, hit like and subscribe. Now go crush these orders.